that gets over there, I think it slipped.
Right, that's right.
Wait. Now I gotta bring it back up.
There, you did it. Amazing.
Wait, I did it.
You did it. You did it.
Did I? No, it feels weird.
Yeah.
Woo! Thanks for the help. Yeah, buddy. Woo! My seatbelt. Somebody twisted it. It was the other way, like this. Oh man, it's driving me nuts. It happened to me before. Just had to watch a YouTube video. That's how I know. Oh man, that sucked. Woo!